Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with Septarian, the stone of wisdom and communication. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the prompts that I bring up during the meditation, and deciding if this is a gemstone that could help you in your everyday life. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Septarian, then I will link that up in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and go watch that one to give you a little more knowledge about the supportive benefits of Septarian before you start into the guided meditation, but it's not required. Also, if you do have a piece of Septarian, then this is a good opportunity to go get that and set it by your meditation space. But a gemstone is not required for this guided meditation. If any of the prompts in this meditation, they call to you, they seem really familiar or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some Septarian and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, wherever you can be alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes. So if you have your gemstone, if you have your Septarian, or you're ready to picture a yellow and brown gemstone in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to how it feels in your body to breathe right now. Is it easy and open, a little tight? How does it feel? How does it feel to take in the air into your lungs and breathe it out? And then bring your attention to your total physical body and notice if there are any physical sensations that stand out to you right now. Moving to your heart center and seeing what emotions may be sitting with you right now. And then bringing your attention to your mind and taking a look at the state of your mind. Is it calm? Is it busy or distracted? And we are not trying to fix anything or change it. We are just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bring your attention to those parts in your body that touch the cushion or chair or the ground beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. Directly over its center, you are perfectly grounded and supported by the entire planet, and you have access to all of its energy. So you are protected and guided during this meditation today. If you do have a piece of septarian, then place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the gemstone today. And then take some time to feel the gemstone in your hand. How much does it weigh? As you run your fingers over it, which parts are smooth? Are there any rough parts? And take a minute to get to know your piece of septarian. If you don't have a piece of this gemstone, then imagine a dark brown and a light yellow and gray gemstone in your mind. Notice if anything changed in your body, your heart, your mind, since you've picked up the septarian. Imagine that you are sitting directly on the earth in the shade of a giant tree. You are surrounded by the energy and stability of Mother Earth. And sit with this image of septarian energy for a minute. Septarian is the stone of wisdom and communication. And as you sit and hold this gemstone or picture it in your mind, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Would you like to feel more grounded, supported, and protected in your life? Are you going to be doing a personal spiritual retreat soon? Do you want to incorporate more solitude and quiet in your life? Do you desire some more privacy regarding your personal information or your opinions or anything in your life? Do you feel you need to cultivate more privacy? Will you be doing public speaking anytime soon? All of these situations are supported by Septarian. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart, your body, your mind. And we'll sit with this for another minute or two while you hold or picture the stone. And notice if anything has changed about the way that you feel about that scenario since you've been holding the stone. And then taking a look to see if anything has changed in your body, your heart, and your mind since you started the guided meditation. And it's okay if you don't notice a change right away in the first meditation. This is a practice that takes time and repetition. And then release the image of the septarian energy and the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your regular, normal breathing. And then when you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me today in guided meditation with Septarian, the stone of wisdom and communication. And I hope that you found this useful. If you do think that Septarian is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up that supportive energy from the gemstone as soon as you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works in your life. Knowing which life situations you would like to support with, which gemstones will help you, and picking them up and sitting with them when you need them. That is how you make practical, real life change with gemstones. And for those who are new to the channel, I talk about a new gemstone every single week. So if you are really curious about the many different gemstones and how they can help you transform your life, then make sure to click subscribe so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.